Welcome to Taking Math Notes using Notability. This is a quick 4-slide presentation that will show you how to take notes for the flipped math classroom in Notability. Please make sure you viewed the original show, how to take notes with paper pencil. It's going to be very important that you also know how to do that. Remember that your chances of having a school-provided iPad next year at Falcon Middle are fairly slim. Once you get into Notability, you're going to need to make a new folder. We're going to title it Math Notes - Flipped Classroom. Go ahead and go into the edit, and when you get the gear on the left, you're going to want to choose a color, choose an icon if you wish, and then you're going to want to move this all the way to the top of your notes so it's easily accessible. The first note you're going to create is your table of contents. Make sure that in the heading you label it Table of Contents. You can leave the date and the time as well. You can see I created mine on April 1st at 4:36 p.m. Because you're not going to be using page numbers but rather different notes, just label them 1, 2, 3, 4 as you would page numbers in your composition notebook. Make sure that each note has a title. For example, the one that we're taking today is called How to Take Notes. Alright, once your table of contents is done, you're ready to go ahead and start with your first note, which is how to take notes. You're going to want to go to the top and create how to take notes. You're going to want to put in your learning objective, the LO, and go ahead and highlight it, and then write your learning objective below. Make sure that each topic is on a separate note. Do not combine several topics into one note, because you'll have to scroll up and down, and that will take a lot of time, be very wasteful. Make sure and list the title. The date is automatically stamped for you, so you do not need to worry about that. It's up to you whether you use the keyboard for typing or whether you use your finger or stylus for writing directly on. Just make sure that you're able to read and understand what you've written. Your notes are not going to be helpful if you cannot read what you've written. Good luck.